How you doing? My name is Mario Bosch with Clean Cut Landscape. We're in Metairie today doing some landscape work, but we're also solving another issue this homeowner had with cars parking on their lawn. The street is very narrow and there's no way to really park in the street without blocking the street. So we did some work here. I'm gonna let you take a look at it. So what we did here, this whole section was grass. It was all dead and turned to mud from cars running over it. So what we did, we took a 3-foot section of the grass out. We dug it down about 5 inches, so we could put a nice thick layer of limestone to support a car's weight. Then we came in here and graded the remaining area with river sand, and then we put some St. Augustine sod down. So now this entire area will not be muddy, and a car can absolutely park on this limestone and not cause a mess. So if you need a solution for your muddy lawn on a narrow street, give us a call at 504-887-0234 or visit us at cclanddesign.com.